Language, the greatest adventure. Kotoba Camp.
Dentist.
Dentist.
A medical professional who specializes in oral health and dental care.
牙医师、牙科医生。
Ancient Egyptian medical texts reveal sophisticated dental procedures for treating tooth decay and gum disease. Prehistoric human remains indicate that early dentists used flint tools to remove infected dental tissue.
Modern dental practices integrate advanced imaging technologies for precise diagnosis.
Preventive dental care significantly reduces the incidence of periodontal diseases.
Digital dentistry revolutionizes treatment planning and surgical precision.
Dental.
Dental.
Dental enamel provides crucial evidence for understanding ancient human diets. Dentistry.
Dentistry. Advanced dentistry techniques preserve more natural tooth structure during restoration.
Orthodontist, endodontist, periodontist, oral surgeon.
矫正牙医师、根管治疗专科医师、牙周病专科医师、口腔外科医师。
Physician, nurse, therapist, pharmacist.
医师、护士、治疗师、药剂师。
Dent.
Dent.
A hollow or depression in a surface, a negative impact or effect. To make a hollow or depression in something, to have a negative effect.
凹痕、凹陷，负面影响，使凹陷产生负面影响。
The meteorite impact created a significant dent in the lunar surface, providing valuable data about crater formation processes. The repeated stress cycles eventually caused a dent in the metal specimen's structural integrity.
The surface analysis revealed microscopic dents in the crystalline structure of the material.
The new environmental regulations barely made a dent in reducing industrial carbon emissions.
The experimental results made a significant dent in the previously accepted theoretical framework.
Dented.
Dented.
The dented surface exhibited unique patterns of stress distribution under microscopic examination. Indentation.
Indentation. The systematic indentation testing revealed crucial information about the material's mechanical properties.
Depress, damage, impair, mar.
压低、损坏、损害、损毁。
Restore, repair, mend, fix.
恢复、修复、修补、修理。
Dessert.
Dessert.
A sweet food eaten at the end of a meal, the final course of a meal.
餐后甜点、饭后甜食。
The consumption of high-glycemic desserts significantly affects postprandial glucose metabolism and insulin response. Researchers evaluated the glycemic response after consumption of traditional desserts modified with alternative sweeteners.
The metabolic impact of desserts varies significantly based on their fiber content and glycemic load.
Nutritionists recommend consuming protein-rich desserts to minimize blood glucose fluctuations.
The study examined how different dessert compositions affect satiety hormones and appetite regulation.
Dessert spoo.
Dessert spoo.
The precise measurement of ingredients using a dessert spoon was crucial for the nutritional analysis. Dessert wine.
Dessert wine. The antioxidant properties of dessert wines contribute to their potential health benefits when consumed in moderation.
confection, sweet, treat, delicacy.
糖果、甜食、美食、佳肴。
Appetizer, starter, entree, savory.
开胃菜、前菜、主菜、咸食。
Destination,
Destination,
the place to which someone or something is going or being sent, an intended endpoint.
目的地、终点、目标地点。
Neuronal cells must reach their precise destination in the developing brain to establish proper neural circuits. Migrating cells navigate through complex biological matrices to reach their final destination.
the protein molecules guide axons toward their appropriate synaptic destinations during neural development.
Cellular components must be transported to specific subcellular destinations for proper function.
The research examined how molecular signals direct cells to their intended destinations during embryonic development.
Destinational.
Destinational.
The destinational specificity of neural pathways is crucial for brain function. Predestination.
Predestination. The molecular mechanisms controlling cellular predestination remain a central focus in developmental biology.
Terminus, endpoint, target, goal.
终点、终点站、目标、目的。
Origin, source, starting point, departure.
起源、源头、起点、出发点。
Dolphin.
Dolphin.
A highly intelligent aquatic mammal known for its echolocation abilities and complex social behavior.
海豚，一种具有回声定位能力和复杂社交行为的高智能水生哺乳动物。
Bottlenose dolphins possess sophisticated echolocation systems that enable them to detect and identify underwater objects with remarkable precision. Marine biologists documented how dolphins can maintain vigilant echolocation behavior for extended periods without interruption.
The echolocating dolphin represents objects by their global appearance rather than by local features.
Dolphins demonstrate remarkable cognitive flexibility in adapting to various marine environments.
Dolphins use their biosonar abilities to detect objects buried under sand on the ocean floor.
Dolphinarium.
Dolphinarium.
The dolphinarium provided opportunities for studying cetacean social behavior patterns. Delphinid.
Delphinid. Delphinid species exhibit complex forms of social organization and communication.
Cetacean, porpoise, marine mammal, aquatic creature.
鲸类属海豚，海洋哺乳动物，水生生物。
Fish, shark, whale, seal.
鱼、鲨鱼、鲸鱼、海豹。
Drowsy.
Drowsy.
Feeling sleepy and lethargic, almost asleep.
昏昏欲睡的，困倦的。
Inadequate sleep negatively impacts cognitive function, making students drowsy and less attentive during morning lectures. Sleep deprivation experiments demonstrated that drowsy participants showed significant decline in cognitive performance tasks.
Excessive daytime sleepiness was strongly correlated with cognitive impairment in elderly populations.
The drowsy state induced by sleep deprivation severely impaired memory consolidation and learning ability.
Shift workers experiencing drowsiness showed decreased alertness and compromised decision-making abilities.
Drowsiness.
Drowsiness.
Drowsiness among medical residents led to decreased accuracy in diagnostic procedures. Drowsily.
Drowsily. The student drowsily attempted to focus on the complex mathematical equations.
Lethargic, sleepy, tired, somnolent.
昏昏欲睡的，困倦的，疲倦的，想睡的。
Alert, awake, energetic, vigilant.
警觉的，清醒的，精力充沛的，警惕的。
Ease.
Ease.
To make something less severe, difficult, or painful. To move carefully or gradually. Freedom from difficulty or effort. Comfort.
减轻，缓和，使容易，轻松，安逸，舒适。
Social support systems help students ease into the academic environment and reduce adaptation stress. Cultural adaptation programs ease the transition process for international students in higher education.
Learning adaptability significantly eases students' utilization of self-regulated learning strategies.
Academic support services can ease the psychological burden of first-year college students.
Social integration mechanisms ease the psychological strain of cross-cultural academic transitions.
Easement.
Easement.
The gradual easement of academic pressure improves student mental health outcomes. Easily.
Easily. Students who adapted easily showed better academic performance and social integration.
Alleviate, relieve, lessen, mitigate.
减轻，缓解，减少，缓和。
Strain, stress, difficulty, hardship.
紧张，压力，困难，艰辛。
Edge.
Edge.
The outside limit of an object, area, or surface. A competitive advantage. To move gradually or carefully in a particular direction.
边缘，边界，优势，渐进，谨慎移动。
Genomic research tools give scientists a competitive edge in understanding complex biological systems.
The geological formations at the continental edge reveal crucial data about tectonic plate movements.
Advanced technology provides researchers with an edge in analyzing environmental data patterns.
Marine biologists study the ecological interactions at the edge of coral reef ecosystems.
Innovative laboratory equipment gives students an edge in conducting sophisticated experiments. Edging.
Edging.
The edging of the rock formation showed distinct layers of sedimentary deposits. Edgy.
Edgy. Cutting-edge research methods revolutionized our understanding of cellular mechanisms.
Boundary, margin, perimeter, rim.
边界，边缘，周边，边沿。
Center, middle, interior, core.
中心，中间，内部，核心。
Economy.
Economy.
The system of trade and industry by which a country's wealth is made and used. Careful use of money, resources, etc.
经济，节约，节省。
Sustainable economic practices aim to balance resource consumption with environmental preservation. Global market fluctuations significantly impact local agricultural production systems.
The transition to renewable energy sources has profound implications for industrial economies.
Circular economy models promote the efficient use of resources through recycling and reuse.
Social inequalities often reflect underlying economic disparities in urban development.
Economical.
Economical.
Economical transportation systems are essential for sustainable urban development. Economist.
Economist. Leading economists advocate for environmental protection in development policies.
Finance, commerce, trade, business.
金融、商业、贸易、生意。
Waste, extravagance, inefficiency, excess.
浪费、奢侈、低效、过度。
Element.
Element.
A simple substance that cannot be broken down into other substances. A fundamental or essential part.
元素、要素、基本成分。
The periodic table organizes chemical elements based on their atomic structure and properties. Trace elements in soil play a crucial role in plant growth and development.
The discovery of new elements has revolutionized our understanding of matter.
Carbon is a fundamental element in all known life forms on Earth.
Scientists analyze atmospheric elements to study climate patterns.
Elemental.
Elemental.
Elemental analysis revealed the composition of the ancient artifacts. Elementary.
Elementary. The elementary principles of physics govern all natural phenomena.
Component, constituent, factor, ingredient.
组成部分、成分、因素、原料。
Complex, compound, mixture, combination.
复杂物、化合物、混合物、组合。
Well done! Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it.